Hello everyone, this is China Gateway 360, and today we are looking at the 400% year-on-year surge in AI-driven fraud cases sweeping China's business landscape.
The financial impact we're seeing right now is, well, it's pretty significant. The data shows businesses have already absorbed 1.2 billion yuan in confirmed losses in just the first half of 2026 alone. And for compliance teams, here's the real wake-up call. According to the CAC, 60% of all criminal cases filed in the second quarter actually contained AI-generated evidence. Because of this new reality, relying on legacy vendor verification is completely obsolete.
Let's break down exactly how this synthetic threat operates. It really relies on three main pillars. First up, we have deepfake voice scams. Authorities have flagged 73 specific incidents where scammers used real-time voice cloning to impersonate senior executives and authorize wire transfers. Second, there's algorithmic contract forgery. This is now driving 18% of civil fraud cases down in Shanghai and Shenzhen by slipping right past standard software checks. And third is treasury infiltration. We're talking 2,300 AI-driven investment scams directly targeting corporate finance teams since January.
So what's the actual cost of falling behind here? The cascading risks are incredibly severe. At stage 1, you're looking at baseline regulatory penalties starting at 500,000 yuan per incident, simply for failing to detect AI fraud in your supply chain. Move to stage 2, and the market reacts. Cyber liability insurance premiums have spiked 35% in just 6 months, with underwriters demanding strict AI audits. And finally, stage 3 brings the ultimate threat. Under the new July 1st Personal Information Protection Law amendments, any AI-generated business communication that lacks a digital watermark triggers an immediate business license suspension.
8.7 million yuan. That is the staggering average total cost in penalties and legal fees per non-compliant entity. And that number is based entirely on recent 2026 court rulings. This is the hard, financial reality of relying on outdated defenses in today's environment.
The reason existing compliance frameworks are failing is that legacy systems, things like standard due diligence or basic phone verifications, are just easily broken by today's synthetic identities. Securing your supply chain right now requires a fundamental shift. We have to move away from those standard software checks and adopt the 2026 regulatory mandates. That means implementing AI forensic verification, cryptographic authentication chains, and continuous algorithmic detection.
To secure your operations, there are 3 immediate, actionable steps you need to execute. Number 1, upgrade your KYC protocols by piloting eID systems with your top 5 Chinese vendors right away. Number 2, institute a CFO-mandated 60-minute cooling-off period alongside SMS confirmation for any transfers over 50,000 yuan. And number 3, execute your AI detection audits. You need to run your top 50 supplier agreements through platforms approved by the National Cybersecurity Center before September 30th, 2026.
Ultimately, getting this right is about more than just playing defense. It's a real competitive advantage. The strategic ROI here is speed. Companies that are integrating blockchain registries are securing a 25% faster business license approval process, and they're completely sidestepping the 9-month dispute resolution delays faced by legacy systems. Navigating this technological arms race takes a precise, actionable strategy, and that's exactly where China Gateway 360 steps in as your dedicated partner for practical compliance in this new landscape.